The importance of a durable power of attorney for an incapacitated parent. Oh, hey there folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher. Thank you for joining me today at elderlawcare.com. Folks, you may know me as the author of How to Slay the Metaphorical Four-Headed Beast of Estate Planning and Elder Law. And you can pick up a copy of my book on Amazon or at elderlawcare.com. Folks, today's question is how to assist or help an elderly parent who is in financial distress. What does that mean? How to help your elderly parent that you love so much pay off their bills, pay off their debt, okay? But first, folks, the first question I have a question for you. Why? Why does your elderly parent have excessive bills? Because honestly, folks, when you think about it, in our dear parents' golden years, they should be enjoying life. Should be easy breezy. They should not be distressed, worrying about financial bills and debt and credit collectors and so forth. Number two, folks, you want to take a look at their cognitive ability to manage their financial assets. If you feel that your aging parent is suffering from some cognitive decline, maybe dementia or Alzheimer's, or maybe even if they're considered a vulnerable person and they can no longer manage their checkbook, then you or their power of attorney needs to step into their shoes, put a pause on all the purchases that they're making, do a full assessment and evaluation of their checkbook, of their financial statements, of their online accounts, and investigate. And with that power of attorney that you or someone else hopefully has, you have legal authority now to step into the shoes of your aging parent or loved one to monitor and manage their financial affairs and discover the why are they falling into financial distress later in the fourth quarter of life. And then you want to put a stop to it. Folks, another recommendation and tip, you want to notify the financial institutions if you discover that there's undue influence, maybe from a family member, or even one of those online scams, which often target the elderly of folks who are declining cognitively. We've seen it firsthand in our elder law care practice when folks are coming in and they fell victim to an online scam with an email, computer ransom, or a letter from the prince of some country and they're wiring funds across the country, or they get that distress call from their grandchild who was just recently arrested and they need bail money. That happens every day. So educate your senior parents about those situations as well. Folks, if you do not have a power of attorney and you're not the attorney in fact for your loved one, you may be faced with petitioning the probate court for formal conservatorship. Is like a financial guardian where the court will appoint you or another suitable person the legal authority to step into the shoes of your aging parent to manage their finances and then create a financial report for the court, an accounting and a financial plan going forward. But after all said and done, if there's no funny business or anything like that and your parents are just declining cognitively or they do not have the financial means to pay their bills, well, hey, they took care of you, they brought you into this beautiful world. Maybe if you or another family member has the financial resources, maybe you can step in and help them pay off their bills for them gratuitously as a gift, as a return of love and affection for your dear parents, okay? That being said, my recommendation, pay off the bills first of high interest rate, maybe credit card debt of high interest rate, pay those bills off, okay? And you want to utilize funds, if your parent or yourself has those funds, utilize funds in a low interest bearing or non-interest bearing bank account. Do not be looking to take money out of a retirement account that will subject you or your parents to tax bills and so forth. So really, really important, folks. Take a look at all the red flags and take control legally. So really, really important, folks. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, and a member of our elder law care team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like to learn more, go to our website, elderlawcare.com, click on one of the educational videos there, or pick up a copy of our book there as well, or one of our other educational programs. Folks, thank you for joining us today. Patrick Kelleher at elderlawcare.com.